Alright, so today we're going to take a look at my 1960s, 50s Montgomery Ward electric heater that I just recently restored. It's kind of a Vornado style, very nicely done in a white color. Let's see this. Light focus. No focus. Anyway, it's a Montgomery Ward heater and fan, I guess I should say. Rated at 1600 watts, made in the USA. I got it hooked up to a meter today. Let me grab a light so you guys can see this stuff. Alright. Here's my watt meter. Tag. Montgomery Ward. Yeah, basically I took and rebuilt the fan motor, polished up the blades, kept the internals. You can see they're a little bit rusty. All same, it was a barn save. I didn't want to mess with those. The motor's rusty, but I oiled it with some oil, and you can see it is smooth as glass. Works perfectly. I use this almost every night now that it's nice and cool here in Ohio. Just keeps chill off. Really great heater. Built well. Nice stance. But we'll go ahead and turn it on fan. It's a nice fan. See, it's 42 watt fan. Put it on heat. Put it on heat now. Fan turns down a little bit. Healing element starts to heat up, and it was rated at 1600 watts, but it will slowly drop down to, say about 1380, about there. After it runs a while, drops down, but yeah, it works absolutely perfect. Put an overheat safety switch on it, like they originally don't have, and put it on a fresh air vent. Yeah, it heats my room, which is a pretty good sized room, very well. Always worked for me, you know. I've bought lots of heaters in the past, and they're just cheap Chinese junk, and they just don't last. And this thing was out of barn, and I just took some pliers and some oil and plugged the thing in, and it worked. And I just restored it because they thought this thing was awesome. It wasn't very easy, but we did it in the end, and I said it's starting to drop down. It'll keep going down here. Yeah, that's my Montgomery Ward electric heater.